Construction, heavy equipment. Concrete mixer.
Used to mix concrete efficiently. Used to mix concrete efficiently. Used to mix concrete efficiently. Used to mix concrete efficiently.
Backhoe loader.
Used to dig soil and move materials using a rotating arm. Used to dig soil and move materials using a rotating arm.
Wheel loader.
Used to load materials into trucks or other means of transportation. Used to load materials into trucks or other means of transportation.
Vibratory roller.
Used to compact solar asphalt on the road surface. Used to compact solar asphalt on the road surface.
Dump truck.
Used to transport construction materials from one location to another. Used to transport construction materials from one location to another.
Bulldozer.
Used for leveling the ground, digging and moving materials. Used for leveling the ground.
Crane.
Used to lift and move heavy materials such as concrete or steel blocks. Used to lift and move heavy materials such as concrete or steel blocks.
Grader.
Used to level and compact the soil that is willless. Create a flat road surface. Used to level and compact the soil that is willless. Create a flat road surface.
Forklift.
Used to lift and move smaller construction materials such as pallets or wooden blocks. Used to lift and move smaller construction
Excavator.
Used for digging soil, lifting materials, and moving construction materials. Used for digging soil.
Thank you for your time and attention in watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to channel Helitractor so you don't miss other interesting content. See you in the next video.